On this week's episode, we'll be at Twin Boars Outdoors near Knox City, Texas. From there, we'll be traveling to Stone Creek Hunting Ranch in Missouri. Stay tuned. Hi folks, it's December 23rd here in Illinois. Got some snow this morning. December 26th, me and my wife are going to be heading down to Twin Boars Outdoors, Knox City, Texas, do some hog hunting. I'm going to be shooting the prime, and I'm going to be also shooting my PSE Fang crossbow. My wife's going to be using a Carbon Express Covert 3.4, I believe, crossbow. Before we go, I just want to take a couple shots with each, make sure we're right on. Make sure that nothing's off, something I need to fix before we get down there. And I'll shoot again once we get down in Texas. But right now we're just going to take a couple practice shots. Okay, we kicked up some hogs here we didn't see. They ran about 100 yards. They're milling around. Hopefully they'll lay back down. Hopefully they'll lay back down. We can put a stalk on them. It's super cold here in Texas. Ice on the windows of our vehicles. Cameraman's pointing. Here comes the hogs. So, got in the middle of them pigs, in the middle of them, all around me. They would not get up because of this cold Texas weather that we brought with us from Illinois. Most of them were bedded down, but we had one little pig that wanted to stand up and continue to eat. And he presented me a headshot at about 10 yards probably. It didn't go very far. It's right here in front of me. There he is. Alright, so here's this hog. Not the biggest hog, but we had a blast getting it. We got right in the middle of them. Most of them were bedded down. They'd get up, move, bed back down. This one stayed up eating. Offered me a 10, 12 yard head-on shot. Put a bolt right between its eyes. It ran a little ways, but it went in, bolt went in pretty deep. Actually got some vitals. Quick, easy recovery, Twin Boars Outdoors. Great time, check them out.
Do anything with one hand behind your back. Introducing the Kickstart line from Case, featuring our patented Kickstart assisted opening technology. Case Kickstart knives come in a wide variety of handle styles, from traditional bone and synthetics to more modern materials like Kieranite and canvas laminate. Your Case Kickstart knife will quickly become your everyday favorite, ready to deliver years of dependable service.
Is it better to be strong or smart? Well, when you combine a class-leading 999cc engine with the industry's first and only intelligent four-wheel drive system, the answer is simple. It's better to be both. The Pioneer 1000 Limited Editions, the newest members of the growing Pioneer family from Honda.
Prestige two-man ladder stand features an extremely comfortable 3-inch thick foam flip back seat, as well as padded shooting rest that can flip back and works on a slide adjustment. The seat also has 2-inch thick foam backrest. The wide and spacious foot platform measures 50 inches wide and 30 inches deep and is made of expanded metal. This stand has adjustable bark biters in the back of the stand for upright installation on any tree. The single rail ladder brings the height of the stand to 16 foot at the shooting rail. The whole stand is coated in the muddy powder coat, making it quiet, sturdy, and durable. This stand is rated for up to 500 pounds and comes with 2 safety harnesses. All muddy stands come with nylon washers to prevent any metal-on-metal contact.
We got some hogs up here that are bedded down. We're going to walk up here and do a sneak on them, and hopefully we can get a shot on one.
Constructed of strong but lightweight Alumilite aluminum, the Woodsman Climber is designed to take the hunt to a whole new level. Fortified with the all-new hybrid mounting system, which is flexible like a cable but strong like a chain, and non-slip slats in the foot platform, this climber is the ultimate in safety and comfort. Weighing in at a mere 20 pounds, this stand boasts a weight rating of 300 pounds and is designed for added comfort for even the longest hunts. There are no limits with this climber, as it includes adjustable padded backpack straps, an accessory bag, and the ability to fold flat for easy and comfortable transportation, no matter how far your destination.
Is it better to be strong or smart? Well, when you combine a class-leading 999cc engine with the industry's first and only intelligent four-wheel drive system, the answer is simple. It's better to be both. The Pioneer 1000 Limited Editions, the newest members of the growing Pioneer family from Honda.
Do anything with one hand behind your back. Introducing the Kickstart line from Case, featuring our patented Kickstart assisted opening technology. Case Kickstart knives come in a wide variety of handle styles, from traditional bone and synthetics to more modern materials like Curonite and canvas laminate. Your Case Kickstart knife will quickly become your everyday favorite, ready to deliver years of dependable service.
Okay, check it out. We've been out there. Lottie missed a hog, but shot the tree perfect. But we came across a hog that's bedded. And it looks like I'm going to be able to climb on top of the tree that he's bedded under. Take the cold steel spear, the GoPro, and whack him, I reckon. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to spear him. In Texas, where it's freezing cold. So you want to stay warm, go to Brazil, don't come to Texas. It's not all it's cut out. People talk about warm Texas, but they're crazy. Anyway, we're going to go spear a hog. Twin Boars Outdoors. Twin Boars Outdoors, second hog speared. Woo! A rush.
That was amazing.
Yes. All right, we're here back at Twin Boars Outdoors, Knox City, Texas. Lottie had shot out a group of hogs, missed a hog, got deflected by a tree. We followed the hogs. We found them. They all got up. This one stayed put. I was able to get close to it. I came back and told Jeremy, I said, let's go back to the lodge. Let's get the spear. He's asleep underneath this tree. If I can get on top of that tree and spear it. And I did. As you can see in the footage, it didn't go very far. I was shaking like a leaf, but stinking awesome.
That's awesome. Absolutely awesome.
But Twin Boars Outdoors, Knox City, Texas. Get a hold of Jeremy. Awesome time. Thank you, Jeremy.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's cold in Texas. Don't let them lie to you. It's cold here. Our truck is iced over. Brought it with us from Illinois. Unreal. Let's go get Lottie a hog.
Fire on. Knuckles.
Knuckles.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Help me up.
There's one bedded down. He's bedded down.
You won the biggest one, but you smoked that bitter. How cool was that? That's how you do it. Good job.
Fortunately, this hog had been wounded and we weren't able to save the meat, but the Muzzy 3-blade 125 grain broadhead did an exceptional job taking him down.